Remember when Blockbuster was the king of entertainment? A time where Friday night meant a trip to the video store? Fast forward today and it's Netflix streaming across screens worldwide, while Blockbuster is a memory. What happened? Business transformation or the lack of it? In this episode, we'll embark on a journey through the 10 pivotal steps of business transformation. Going back to our example, Blockbuster missed the digital wave. They stuck to their stores while Netflix embraced the internet, transforming not just their business model, but how the world consumes entertainment. This is the power of staying ahead, of evolving with technology and consumer expectations. And in the fast-paced modern world of AI and digital innovation, business transformation is not just critical, it's survival. Why transform? In today's landscape, business faces a stark choice: adapt or become irrelevant. Transformation is about reimagining operations, culture, and offerings to not just survive but thrive. It's about sizing market agility, enhancing customer experiences, and achieving sustained growth. The goal: to ensure your business is always ahead, always relevant, and never a blockbuster in a Netflix world. I'm going to share with you the 10 steps to a robust business transformation strategy, informed by my personal expertise transforming our initial business into one of the fastest growing holding companies out there and being recognized as a Transformation of the Year leader in the UK in 2022. Intro. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alexej, an entrepreneur and investor. The topic of business transformation is very close to my heart. As an investor in multiple businesses and as a successful founder of a holding company, I know firsthand the true power behind an airtight business transformation strategy. Put simply, it can completely rejuvenate and catapult your business from redundant organization to a category leader. If you're new to this channel, I drop an episode once a week with insights from companies we work with, venture-backed, private equity-owned, or bootstrap businesses all around the world. If you're excited to dive into the first step, go ahead and press that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now let's start with our 10 steps for effective business transformation list. On position 1, establish a vision. The cornerstone of any transformative journey is to establish a vision that not only points the way forward, but also inspires the organization. This vision should be ambitious, pushing the boundaries of what's currently possible. Amazon's evolution from a simple online bookstore to a global powerhouse in e-commerce and cloud computing exemplifies the power of a clear, ambitious vision. Jeff Bezos' goal was to make Amazon Earth's most customer-centric company. And that has driven relentless innovation and expansion, illustrating how a strong vision can transform the business landscape. On position 2, ownership of change management and progress metrics. Once the vision is set, the focus shifts to ensure the realization through meticulous management and measurement. This critical role, often held by the Chief Operating Officer, COO, Head of Change Management, or Head of Digital Transformation, is the linchpin in the machinery of change. Keep tracking your sales, your profits, your cash flow metrics throughout the whole transformation. And one of the best frameworks to do so is via OKRs, objectives and key results. You can check out a video of mine on how to set and measure them in the link below. Now, a real-world example is Microsoft. Under Satya Nadella, the current CEO, he didn't just endorse the shift towards a cloud-centric business model. He was the driving force behind it. His leadership exemplified the essence of owning change, aligning the entire organization efforts towards new strategic direction, and meticulously tracking progress through key performance indicators. He did the same with AI and the backing of OpenAI and Sam Altman, getting Microsoft to the pole position in the AI game. Now, the third step in our business transformation process is to gather customer insights. Next, it's time for a deep dive into understanding the lifeblood of any business, its customers. Employ a mix of quantitative methods like web analytics for behavioral insights and qualitative techniques such as in-depth interviews to grasp customer motivations. Use social listening tools to monitor brand mentions and sentiment across the web. And to look at an example, Zara's rapid fashion turnaround is powered by its obsessive focus focus on customer feedback. Store managers report daily on what's selling and what's not, combined with an online customer behavior, allowing Zara to adjust its offerings in real time. Now, if you learned something from that video already, and if you're still watching this, please leave a yes in the comment section below. On position 4, streamline operation. To enhance operational efficiency, start with a thorough audit of your process, identifying areas where tasks can be automated or eliminated. Engage frontline employees in identifying inefficiencies. They often are the first to know where bottlenecks occur. Implementing lean methodologies not only cuts waste but also ensures your operations can quickly adapt to new insights or market demand. Toyota's implementation of the just-in-time inventory system revolutionized manufacturing efficiency. By producing only what is needed when it's needed, Toyota significantly reduced waste and increased productivity. Now, the next step in our transformation journey is to integrate digital technology. It's pivotal in transforming operations and enhancing customer experience. Begin by identifying key areas where technology can make a significant impact, such as automating routine tasks, free up staff for higher value work, or employing data analytics for deeper customer insights. Consider technologies such as CRM systems for better customer relationship management or IoT devices for real-time monitoring of operations. Bill Gates famously said, "The first rule of any technology used in a business is that automation applied to an inefficient operation will magnify the efficiency. The second is that automation applied to an inefficient operation will magnify the inefficiency." So our next step in the transformational journey is to develop a resilient culture. This is about embedding a mindset of continuous improvement across the organization. It involves creating an environment where employees are not merely adapting to change but are energized by it, actively contributing ideas for innovation and improvement. This cultural shift makes the organization more agile and better equipped to navigate the uncertainties of the business landscape. A great real-world example is Pixar Animation Studios, which stands as a testament to a resilient and innovative culture. Ed Catmull, co-founder of Pixar, emphasized a culture where creativity flourished and failure wasn't feared but seen as a step towards innovation, making Pixar a leader in its industry. Now, our seventh step in the world of transformations is implementing a communication strategy. A robust communication strategy is essential for keeping all stakeholders aligned and engaged throughout the transformation journey. This strategy should utilize multiple channels to reach different audiences within and outside the organization, ensuring messages are clear, consistent, and reinforce the transformation's goals and progress. Regular updates, feedback loops, and transparent dialogue help maintain momentum and the buy-in. Execute strategically is the next step. Execution in the transformation journey should be strategic and deliberate. Prioritize initiatives that have the most significant impact on achieving the vision, employing a phased approach to roll them out. This method allows for flexibility, enabling the organization to learn from each phase and make necessary adjustments without losing sight of the overall strategic focus. It's about balancing the need for progress with the wisdom of reflection. A real-world example is Lego's turnaround in the early 2000s. By refocusing on core product lines and engaging customers through innovative marketing, Lego successfully revived its brand and financial health. The ninth step in the list of 10 effective ways on how to transform your business is secure the buy-in of all stakeholders. Achieving transformation is a collaborative endeavor that requires the buy-in of all stakeholders, not just the leadership team. This step involves engaging and securing commitment from C-level executives, management, and the board, investors, and even customers. It's about presenting a unified vision, demonstrating the value and potential impact of the transformation, and addressing concerns proactively. Effective stakeholder engagement ensures that everyone is aligned, supportive, and ready to contribute to the transformation efforts. When Adobe shifted from packaged software to a cloud-based subscription model, it wasn't just an operational pivot, but a strategic one that required the buy-in of investors, who were initially skeptical about the impact on revenue. Through transparent communication and demonstrating the long-term value of this shift, Adobe secured stakeholder support, leading to a successful transformation and sustained growth. Now, before I cover the last step, please hit that like button. Now, last but not least, evaluate and refine. Transformation is an ongoing journey that thrives on feedback. It's crucial to establish a feedback loop, blending quantitative data with qualitative insights to continuously refine your strategy. This ensures your transformation efforts stay aligned with your vision and the ever-evolving market demand, keeping your organization agile and ahead of the curve. Real-world example is Google's innovative 20% time policy, allowing employees to dedicate 20% of their work time to pursue new ideas or projects outside their regular responsibilities. This unique strategy has led to the creation of key products such as Gmail, showcasing the value of fostering a culture that prioritizes continuous evaluation and the refinement of ideas. So, one more quick time, we recap the 10 points. Establish a vision, ownership of change management and progress metrics, gather customer insights, streamline operations, integrate digital technologies, develop a resilient culture, implement communication strategy, execute strategically, secure the buy-in of all stakeholders, and finally, evaluate and refine. Feeling excited now and eager to take the first step in your business transformation strategy? Go to alexejpikovsky.com and leave your email there so I can share my weekly newsletter with you. I looked at more than 500 businesses over the span of my career, many of them which underwent business transformation. But it's only after becoming a founder myself that I really knew everything that was entailed in producing a coherent strategy to transform a business. I drop an episode like this with strategies and concepts for your business once a week. Please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you'll get notified every single time I release an episode. If you have a fellow founder, if you have a team member, if you're part of a Slack group, Telegram, or WhatsApp group with other founders that could get value from this video, please share this with them. I want to help as many founders as possible to improve their business. Thank you for joining me in this journey. I'm Alexej, and I will see you in the next episode.